Hello everyone, and welcome back to the crypto channel number 1 about Shiba Inu coin, where we share with you different metrics, different opinions, points of news, and other moments about Shiba Inu and different Shiba Inu's price. So watch it to the end, because today we're going to talking about what happened with Shiba Inu to 2025, and actually what will be with Shiba Inu if stock markets drop. So I think it's really interesting. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So there are some price predictions for Shiba Inu coin as it prepares to face off with Dogecoin. Well, as you may know, the Dogecoin both and Shiba Inu is the meme coin, dog coin, which is funny because Shiba Inu coin has been built as a Dogecoin killer, has not gone away yet despite a recent dip in cryptocurrencies. But will SHIB coin ever reach the $1 mark? So what issues does SHIB INU coin face? So Shiba Inu has had a run of luck recently, holding off a huge dip that other cryptocurrencies have seen, according to FX Street. But the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency still faces some obstacles. For example, SHIB coin has not gained much attention on social media or from spectators, according to FX Street. So if the Shiba token starts to drop, it may even lose more support, since cryptocurrencies like SHIB and Dogecoin rely on social media hype for investment. So David Zhao, CEO of crypto magazine Block Journal, taught the inverse, that shitcoin only rises because of the community. So investors should keep that in mind before investing. So yeah, we have a very strong, very big, very huge community, Shiba Army, and I think it's pretty exciting that because together we are stronger, and actually we can see the even biggest prize that I think we in the early stages, at the very beginning of the Shiba Inu era. So obviously not financial advice, but in the deep, where the dip occurs, I prefer to buy more Shiba. It's not financial advice. Please do your own research and also advise with your finance analytic. But I think it's pretty huge. But let's talking about what will be with Shiba Inu price when the stock market crashes. So could Bitcoin's halving cycles power through a hypothetical post-COVID economic crisis, or is Bitcoin destined to be correlated with stocks? As you may notice, the Bitcoin and Shiba Inu have really big, huge correlations, or have really huge correlations. So the year 2009 was marked by both the genesis of Bitcoin and the United States stock market starting an unprecedented bull market, one that's continued almost uninterrupted since. However, murmurings of a crash are always present, and the noise has recently been getting louder. So against the backdrop of COVID-19 refusing to go away, stocks keep pushing higher, backed by an unprecedented amount of government support. But now that quantitative easing policies are no longer being implemented, is the talk of stock market crash justified? If so, this could bring unfortunate news for Bitcoin. It could be argued that there are signs of strong correlation between Bitcoin and stocks. So what may happen to crypto if the bottom falls out of United States equities? And what may happen, more important question is what may happen to Shiba Inu if the bottom falls out of United States equities? So here's the point. How likely is a crash? Taking crypto out of the picture, the increasing speculation that a crash is imminent does hold some merit. In June, the inflation rate in the United States was significantly higher than expected. In the meantime, the government continued to issue bonds and accrue more debt to the point that there's now talk of raising the debt ceiling. So the justification for this, of course, the ongoing pandemic relief effort. But the government is pumping money into the economy when other signs, such as United stock prices, indicate that the relief isn't needed. United States real estate markets are also surging, while the Federal Reserve has already expressed concerns that investors are becoming increasingly reckless, referencing the appetite for meme stocks and cryptocurrencies as cases in point. So, referencing the appetite for meme stocks and meme coin, obviously, like Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu, but know that Shiba Inu is Dogecoin killer. So all this money pumping into the economy has to dry up some point, leading to justifiable speculation that a crash could be the inevitable consequence. Michael van de Poppe, Cointelegraph columnist and full-time trader, believes that the expectation of heavy correlation are justified, adding, so the chances of a stock market collapse are increasing day by day as the markets are getting overheated heavily. Not just in stocks, but real estate markets are showing similar signals. The market is going into a bubble phase created by an insane amount of printing from the federals, through which the middle class is getting squeezed. So correlated for now, but for how long? And how it actually can influence to the Shiba Inu's price. So Toya Zhang, marketing manager and AAX exchange, agrees that a crash is coming, but urged caution on attempting to predict the timing. Given how common stock market declines are and the fact that the market is somewhat overvalued, I think there's a reasonably high probability of a stock market downturn. Zhang said, nobody can say exactly when that will happen though. So correlated for now, but for how long? And a struggle of opposing forces. So in the short history of the crypto asset class, the token market has largely moved in line with other risk assets like stock and commodities. They tend to react especially well to central bank money printing. Still, there is a lot more room for growth in crypto since it's largely in the early development phase. So that's why it's really good options, really good opportunity to investments in various coins like Shiba Inu, like Ethereum, like Bitcoin, and I think that Ethereum can reach the price of Bitcoin in the future. Obviously not financial advice, but still it's interesting. After Ethereum's hard fork in London, the price is actually increasing to the up to the 15%, 50%. So actually still there is a lot more room for growth in crypto since it's largely in the early development phase. So even if we see equities hit a top, I don't think it have any sustained impact on digital assets. So as you may notice, the money can be printed actually. And what all of us show the COVID-19 and the Fed. So, but Shiba Inu is a crypto asset and it can be actually used. So it's really interesting. It's really exciting. So hit subscribe like button if you're interested in the more news like this one. And in the next video, which you can find actually or just click on your screens, we are gonna talk about what issues does SHIB INU coin face and where will SHIB coin be in 2025. So thank you for watching and click on the next video right now where you can get even more Shiba Inu coin news. So